Features more elegance, sophisticated fuel tank finish in a tinted clear coat, more weather protection, high windscreen. Flexibility when traveling, tank bag can be folded up when refueling, warm and comfortable, comfort rider's seat plus comfort passenger seat plus seat heating. SLIPSTREAMS at the touch of a button, electrically adjustable windscreen with a large windscreen. LED turn signals, rear collision warning not available in the USA. Elegant and stylish, black color scheme and black details. Update October 11th, 2024, MSRP is listed at $22,745.
Like, share, subscribe.